The Northeast is bracing for Hurricane Henri, which today was upgraded from a tropical storm as it moves along the East Coast. Henri is expected to make landfall on New York's Long Island or southern New England sometime Sunday. Residents across the region are being urged to prepare for strong winds, heavy rains, and potential storm surge. Connecticut and parts of New York are under a state of emergency.
We're pre-positioning heavy equipment all throughout Long Island, all throughout the Hudson Valley and the Capital District region. We're preparing water rescue teams for Long Island and swift water rescue teams for the Hudson Valley and in Westchester.
The Long Island Railroad service will also be canceled as of midnight, and the Port Authority is expecting numerous flight cancellations. Henri could be the first hurricane to make landfall on Long Island since Gloria in September of 1985.